darling. The Soursop show is about to start.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to our channel. For you herbal tea lovers, we have something special for you today. We'll show you how we get dry soursop leaves and turn them into tea bags for easy use. How is it done?
Well, hopefully when we finish the process, which I'll show you a little bit later, we'll end up with tea bags that look like this. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that everything turns out just right. But rather than have a long and lengthy explanation on how that's done, why don't I just show you guys and you'll see how it's done for yourselves. So let's not waste any time and let's have a look.
When you're done with your tea making, do you mind if we have a cup of tea?
Sure, I was hoping you'd ask. So let's go now and see how it's done.
Really nice.
She's an android, by the way. Let's go. The batch that we have now is about just under 3/4 of a kilo, so it will be about 1 hour and 45 minutes roasting time. The first bowl, I think there's about 6 bowls to about 750 grams, 700 grams. Bowl number 2. And the lucky last one. Get the dry soursop leaves. You need to dry them in the shade for about a week. Do this up nice and tight. By doing it at lower temperature, it helps preserve the benefits of the herbs. Okay, so we'll roast this for about 1 hour and 3/4, and when it's finished we'll come back. Okay, so that's done. We'll just check the soursop leaf to see if they're dry enough, that they've been roasted sufficiently to remove any residual moisture. We'll just turn on the roaster and allow the leaves to cool down. Now, make sure when you're doing anything like this that you have your power turn off and your plug removed. There is a safety cut-off switch, but you know, if it doesn't work, you could end up really having a nasty injury. Okay, we'll close this up, tighten up the butterfly nuts. Okay, let's grind this up. I'm just crushing the leaves and making them a bit smaller because this is a traditional Chinese herbal medicine grinder. The soursop leaf has a very low density. Alright. Just got this spatula here to just help it flow down into the mouth of the grinder there. The gratings that we used for this were the largest 2. Okay, well that's finished. We'll weigh this soursop and see exactly how much we got. There's going to be a little bit of wastage because of moisture loss, but we have 744 grams. Just make sure when we put it in, you don't just pile it up. Just put it in and then just level it out a little bit. That will help give a decent flow into the machine. So there's about 100 tea bags or so there. Okay, this roll of filter paper can do about 30,000 tea bags. So that's the horizontal jaws and sealing. High temperature there and very sharp jaws. You wouldn't want to get your finger caught in there. So we have about maybe 4 or 5 bags left there. And we've got 312 at the moment. And you can see how the Soursop is spiraling around. It works on a spiral vibration system. So we've got 2.34 grams there, so that's okay. 2.35 grams, that's okay. 2.51 grams, that's okay. 2.43, good. And one more. 2.47 grams. And once that's done, we'll come back and we will put them into big ziplock packs. Make it clear what the product is, how to use that product, the net weight or volume, and contact details. Health benefits cannot be stated on the packaging unless you have scientific proof or the quantities of each of the organic compounds which give those benefits be listed. But as a tea manufacturer, a herbal tea manufacturer, that is a little bit beyond the scope of our labelling. So we keep it nice and simple. We don't put any medical claims on the packaging. People who purchase Soursop know what the benefits are. Two, 4, 6. And it just fits nicely. There's enough room there to close it easily. And there we go, there we have it. Genesis Soursop tea. We started this business because we realised that many people in society were becoming ill because of lifestyle and things they were eating, and we wanted to help people by showing them that natural products had a lot of health benefits. So we started off with Soursop tea, and then we ended up doing a variety of other herbal teas, and eventually we introduced black and green tea in our list of teas. So here we now are at the last stage, the sealing. So this is a foot pedal sealer with a bar that has a heated element which when under pressure will seal the top of the bag. There's a knob there that you can adjust the temperature, so if it's getting a little bit hot, you need to readjust it, otherwise you could melt the top of the package there, which you don't want. You have it at the nice temperature, then it will give a good seal and will look nice as well. So that's just about it. The lucky last one, I think, here. And once this is done, we'll go off and have a cup of Soursop tea with our guests. So there we have it. That's how you make Soursop tea, from leaf to tea bag.
How do you steep the tea?
Oh yes, could you explain to everyone that's watching how you steep the tea?
Sure, it's quite simple actually. All you do is boil water, and then once it's boiled, just let it stand for a couple of minutes so that it's not at 100 degrees C. You need to have it about 95 degrees C. Once you've done that, all you do then is you just pour the water into the cup, and then you place a tea bag in it, and you let it sit there for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending how strong you want your tea. When the tea is ready, it should look a golden brown colour, as you see here. So this is now ready to drink. So please tell me what you think of the tea, of the Soursop herbal tea.
Good tea.
It's good.
It's good. Good smell too.
The tea will actually taste a little bit like a breakfast tea, but a diluted breakfast tea with a slight malty kind of a taste. So it's very easy to drink, and the health benefits are numerous. If you'd like to know about the health benefits of Soursop herbal tea, then I recommend that you take a look at another video which will be released shortly after this one. So we thank you for watching, thank you for visiting the herbal tea production facility, and we hope to see you again in the next video. Bye for now, everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you again.
See you again.
Very nice.
You know what, I think we should get some of that Soursop tea. What you reckon?
You know what, darling? That sounds like a good idea.